Akshit, you came back?
Yes, Janvi.
Why do you look so sad? What happened to you?
Janvi, today I got the results for my English paper.
Okay, but that's good. Why are you so sad?
I am sad because I got very less marks in English. My teacher told me that I have done so many punctuation mistakes.
Oh, this is not good. Tell me, what went wrong? Did you get confused?
Yes, Janvi. I always get confused with punctuation.
Don't worry, Akshit. Punctuation can be a bit tricky at first, but I'm here to help. I will help you. You can first go and change your clothes and come back. I'm waiting for you. And give me your answer sheet. I want to see the mistakes.
Okay, Janvi. I will be back in a while.
See here on the screen. First of all, what is punctuation? Do you know?
No, Janvi. I don't know what exactly it is.
Okay, see here. Punctuation is very important for writing correct sentences, like full stop and where to keep the uppercase letters and where to keep lowercase.
Oh, but what are uppercase and lowercase letters?
See here on the screen. The definition is written. Let me read it to you. A capital letter is also called an uppercase letter. A small letter is also called a lowercase letter.
Oh, I got to know new words for capital and small letters. But where do we use it?
We use it
in the first letter in a sentence. For example, the names of people like Salman, Rohit, Tina, Alia begin with a capital letter. The names of pets, Kitty the cat and Rocket the dog begin with a capital letter. The names of places like Delhi, Kolkata, Goa, National Zoo begin with a capital letter. The names of festivals Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Gurpurab begin with a capital letter.
Okay, Janvi, I got it. But what about full stop? Where it should be used?
Akshit, we use a full stop at the end of a sentence that tells us something. For example, Anita is my sister. Sia is an intelligent girl.
Oh, I got it. This is very simple.
Yes, it is. Now let me give you some questions to solve it.
Okay, Janvi.
Let's start with the first question. We must rewrite the sentence with full stop and uppercase letters. I met my teacher today. The blue whale is the biggest animal on earth. Nidhi and Priya went for a movie on Friday. Mukul likes bananas. You take time and solve it.
I have done it, Janvi.
Okay, let me check. I met my teacher today. The blue whale is the biggest animal on earth. Nidhi and Priya went for a movie on Friday. Mukul likes bananas. All the sentences are written correctly. Good job!
Thank you, Janvi. Now I'm going to solve more questions in my room.
Sure, Akshit, keep practicing.